and enter his email and password. And then in the screen he can insert a DNA in 3 ways. One is to copy and paste the DNA sequence to this text box. The other is to give the NCBI ID. And the third way is to insert the DNA from a text file. If the DNA sequences contain any errors, it will be highlighted as follows, and the user can click on edit and remove the characters. And after clicking on save, and here the user can give a description to the batch. And after clicking on next, he will be redirected to a screen where he can give translation instructions for the DNA, and to convert it into amino acid sequence he can choose from several genetic codes. And he also can give the translation starting position. And he can also differentially number the amino acid sequences. And after clicking on translate, the amino acid sequence will be shown in this screen, and along with information such as name, ORF length, amino acid length, and number of first amino acid. And to give insertion deletion instructions, he has to click on next. And here in the screen the user can give instructions such as truncating the amino acid sequence. For example, if we type 5 and 10 here, the areas which will be not considered in the operation will be highlighted in gray, and so only this region will be used in the operation. And in order to insert a tag, you can give a specific range, that is between 6 and 7, and you can click on the tags pop-up and select tags. And in order to order the tags, he can swap them like this. And if he wishes, he can add a new tag by clicking the add new tag tab. And the user can add a new insertion deletion by clicking on the plus sign. And let's do a deletion this time. And to add internal tags, you can click on this tag button, add a tag, and add C terminal tags, and click on create construct. And the created construct will be shown as follows. If the user wants to make an adjustment to the construct, you can click on the construct and give new instructions. And he can also create multiple constructs from one amino acid sequence. Then he has to click on clear and give instructions. and the new created construct will be shown as follows. To view the details for this amino acid sequence, you can click on details button and view details such as amino acid sequence, ORF length, number of first amino acid, and the DNA sequences.